Yeah, but you know, in all things I have to say, welcome my prayers and things, you know, because that's the staple part.
We are talking about some the real thing that we
No, but here, what me just say it now. I threw me in at the, listen, remember? Yeah, me know, I threw me in at the, listen, if you know, say me play them on a record and I say them on a performance, they right beside me now. In a climate like this, where art is hard to get on show and whatever, if you know, say they are grace our presence. If I just talk like a history and things, I just compliment me, I compliment him. I can't just bring him on the show and say, yeah, just build up, yeah. Yeah, because here's the thing about it. Forgive me, no. Me, I gave you honor a while ago, because they not do it. And we are do it while you're there, so now. Me now wait till it gone to one part. You know how much girl me get to chill with me? Well, and them have a song, them have a thing named reggae cheating song, and guess who was number one?
Listen, let's say something. You say Portmore, people just proud for no one say the man is called Portmore. You say, but this is the way people say, I want to say him come from it. In real life, if you know, in the say, I call him come from Portmore. I really don't want to say I really Portmore come from staying. People just walk us. I just supply a slap right, I said.
Yeah, man.
Spanner, right?
They become a landmark. And guess what, man? The same thing you're going to do with Yasa now. Yasa will become your landmark and our landmark too. You see me?
Yeah. Yeah, I can't put more the board. I put more the side. I said, side. Our singer did this. Our singer.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
But tell about that, right?
Yeah, man.
Take out the fan mode all time.
Yeah, I take out the fan mode, you know. I make us there and the summer prayers, you know. Ready? All right. Father God, me there in the presence of this great artist, Spanabana, team members, Willie Statue of Kingston, Jamaica. I just give thanks for health, strength this day, whole heap of preparation we put forward and you want. We just hope for the best. You see me? So Father God, I just tell you again, thanks for the energy, the strength. You see me? For do this now, today, tomorrow, every day. And thanks again a million times for this day in Kingston, Jamaica. Willie Statue. Yard Style Life, big up the entire team, DJ Spooky, big up SK, big up Purple, big up the twin them, Willie Star Truth, big up everybody, respect and thanks. Father God, respect and thanks, love you. Yeah man. Pray every time, eh?